So being at a technology conference reinforces the many advantages we have living in the modern, fast-paced world. But one disadvantage is the toll that it's taking on our health. Chronic disease is on the rise in developed countries, and while our modern medical system is best in class at fixing acute problems, it's leaving people with chronic disease high and dry. And this hits home for me because I watched my dad's health decline in his 40s. He was an OBGYN, extremely hardworking, and then he got really sick. He was diagnosed with chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, chronic Lyme disease, and the system that he had practiced in had no real solutions to offer for him. Like many people with chronic disease, he just didn't fit the system. And so he did what most people do. He turned to the internet. And it was there that he came across herbal therapy. And after digging into the science, he decided to give it a try. And so he pieced together an herbal regimen from across the internet. And thankfully, it worked. And it got him back on his feet. And so he then embraced diet and lifestyle changes to enhance his health even further. And then he poured himself into research for the next couple years to better understand herbal therapy. And he also worked to understand the root causes of chronic disease. And so he applied everything that he learned to his medical practice. And he also started carrying supplements in his office for his patients. But it quickly became apparent that the supplement regimen was just way too complicated for his patients to follow. And so that's when he and I teamed up as business partners to create a line of supplements manufactured to his specifications, but also focused on simplicity. And over the next couple years, we collected over 1,000 testimonials and success stories from his patients. So we knew we had something good, and we recognized the vast numbers of people who could benefit from our protocol. And so I had graduated from the entrepreneurship program at UNC and worked in marketing and business, and so I took the lead on setting up an e-commerce store to expand our reach. But what quickly became apparent is that what was missing was the personalized one-on-one guidance and education and lifestyle coaching that Dr. Rawls had been giving to his patients. And so we teamed up and we created a 6-month educational course delivered via emails, videos, webinars, and surveys. And so this course quickly became the foundation for our signature Restore program. It serves as a wellness roadmap for our customers, and it's sold bundled together with support from trained Vital Plan staff and customized shipments of the products. We launched the Restore program in January of 2015, and we quadrupled our monthly recurring revenue by the end of the year. We actually had to close out to new customers in fall of 2015 because we were growing so rapidly. So it was then that we decided to raise a convertible note. We invested in our team, product, and technology. And that included the launch of a customized auto ship option, which our customers have embraced. We now have 75% of our customer base signed up for monthly auto shipments of our products. So the focus that we've put on retention this year has had a ballooning effect on our monthly revenue this summer. So much so that we realized we were going to need to raise our seed round of funding sooner than later if we wanted to continue this accelerated growth. And so I took that to my angel investors, who are leaders in consumer products and healthcare, and they really believe in what we're doing. And after reviewing our growth plans, they offered to double down on their previous investments. And so I'm excited to announce that we've just closed our seed round of funding last week, and we do have plans to raise a Series A in 2017. We know there are are tens of millions of individuals searching online for solutions, and we want to be the company to provide them with a pathway back to health. So if you'd like more information, please come talk to us. Thanks.